Hey, good morning everyone. This is Linus. We've been working on the camper a little bit and we've been cleaning up the camper, doing a wax job on it, and got it looking pretty good. Did all the awnings, pulled them out, cleaned them really good. Cleaned the slide outs around the slide outs, the seals, all the way around it. I still got to wax more of it yet, but most of it's waxed. But today I found some stuff on top that is around all the vents and stuff, where it is got some pinholes, and I'm going to seal that up today. So I'm going to take you up there and let you see what we're going to do. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. I got a couple things on the windows I got to clean yet, but it takes a lot of effort to get these things clean when they're big. Okay. Up the ladder we go. I'm trying to put on the camera while I'm doing this, but it ain't working good. So anyhow, we're up on my roof. I cleaned the roof yesterday. Still not as clean as I'd like it to be. I may go back over it when I get done. We got some rain coming in the next day, so I want to get things taken care of. But around these vents and stuff, like right here, you can see that you have a hole right here. That's a water leak. So I'm going to put new sealant around every one of these. Another one over here I thought I remember seeing. Well, it's starting to crack. Starting to crack around this, so that makes it start leaking water. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit and then put some new self-leveling compound down. But there's another one right here on this one. And this is only 2 years old. I thought that I wouldn't expect it to be that bad that quick. So I have box, dicor, lap sealant, white, tubes of that. If you ever want to buy if you ever want to buy something that really works good for doing cleanup and stuff around your house, your cars, whatever you're working on, go to Walmart and buy this big roll of towels. There's like 75, 80 towels on here. They rip apart like that. They tear in sheets. You can rewash these and they last for a long, long time. You can go through a roll of this and then they will come back and you can keep reusing them because they just last forever. I probably bought 4 rolls in the last 2 years, and that's how good they last. And I also washed out the air conditioners while I was up here. We was at a place about 3 weeks ago that was nothing but mold in the air and everything was full. So, but anyhow, I'm gonna get these cleaned up a little bit and then I'll get back with you. Okay guys, I'm back. And pick up this real quick. I'm just gonna toss outside. I'll show you what I did. I ran out of dicor. Had a little bit more for the front. I'll go pick up a couple more tubes. But this is what it looks like. I spread it with a little bit of a putty knife just to kind of be able to, and I know it's going to self-flow, so it's going to go out a little farther. And if I have to, I'll go back over it a little more time. It's better than the holes that were in it. That one I need a little more caulk for. And I got to do the nose cap, so I'm going to buy some more nose cap up here. Even though it doesn't look bad, I'm still going to put some on there. I got to clean that up a lot better. It's still dirty. But all these vents, every one of these things had holes in them where water was starting to get in. And I don't need no water leaks. So I'd rather maintain it now. And it'll be good later. Try to maintain everything I own pretty good. So, 2 more spots back here. I'm gonna go back over to. I'll end up cleaning these spots up on the corners here, and I did there, and that's self-leveling already. It's starting to look like it's getting a little bit smoother. But make sure you do a little maintenance on your camper. You know, we're hitching up, moving on. That's the embassy. Like and subscribe to our channel if you would.